1. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to share your church's message, foster community engagement, and attract new members. Post a mix of visually appealing content including images, videos, and text consistently. Encourage interaction, collect prayer requests, share testimonies, and respond to inquiries. 2. Optimize your church website to be visually appealing, user-friendly, and responsive. Ensure content is well organized with clear navigation and implement SEO best practices like using relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Create quality, engaging content that is helpful, informative, and updated regularly. 3. Provide exclusive online content such as videos, podcasts, and blog posts featuring sermons, teachings, and ministry updates. Share these on your website and social media to engage people beyond your physical church. Videos can be uploaded to YouTube or Vimeo, podcasts allow listening on the go, and blogs deepen engagement with your church's unique perspective. 4. Promote your church events online by regularly posting about upcoming sermons, Bible studies, and activities. This helps spread the word and increase attendance. Share stories of how your church has impacted lives and made a difference in the community to create an emotional connection with potential members. 5. Implement online giving options to allow your congregation to donate conveniently. Choose a reputable platform like Pushpay or Planning Center, embed the giving form on your website, and promote the benefits of online giving. Thank those who give online with automated or personalized messages. By embracing these digital strategies, your church can significantly expand its online outreach, foster deeper connections, and make a lasting impact on your audience. An effective online presence is critical in today's digital world to reach and engage with your congregation and community.